jazito ma ariamuna asekunitere veterans kan kangini temu ko district aloko kata kwi anguyana na polonoi ngesabu ikeunu kanejase Eyengunak koto Ajore ebe mama pugane podokiti Kesinoi John Francis Ariko ediopeto veterans ngesi abalebe i programs ikere loyane na Apugan i moralito emioga PDM kaicheda etapiti duche teorite kesa wai
bola ni monyi sio no yisio aloboy idu se da Apugan ijidi se okade kon inyamide se deke ochileta lo owusu idu se da Apugan okwe ekwe ke ba Apugan si ayi idu no je ise o mam inyobo okwa Apugan na iso mata kela se oda ai se meki konya ai jala Apugan ejolo
e data ito de na kironi veterans keda idules tamasebe itemo kiningun olebola district obuno olebola county obuno olebola sub counties obuno kwa parishes obuno paris solos kwa villages amamute be pataneta kironi
Julius Otim veteran eche ngese yalama ebe abunere kia minister ati chepak ebunikwana ayunu anguriana kech
noi serikali were affected lopoti Eyengunak apara sana jari bora kai ref 1992 1993 serikali ngul ipulwe jasa chukshon mama tachtere kese gratuity kana nyo kede pension kena bora kwa jai pension areas so lo achautakiro elo sikwa na Apugan anyulu bon bitu ngul konya itacho
iso mata kela si oda ai se meki konya ai jala Apugan ejolo
pape kata kweli suki lipto veterans aka ngata na kamutara attractor nikamuza ku kape attractor na uni at least oena kinai ebuku attractor tetere ikali alo veterans ki unos otomai ai mani bako so ile piti Apugan ngarak etongoli kwa kinai itemo kinai tetere veterans de perute adumuno idioborane ni kada bako pan ne penne jai association na veterans na kamut kata kweli suki oso de association sa chenu ka jaso temon obuku ingi na no edisak lipisa Apugan ngara ka stations da ngun epolo pepedora
a minister huda abasono leru koto moinerike ngesi abu olimo ki veterans ebe mama Apugani imuro kiti Kesi kwa pekolo esoma totore joko kanwa warana kwa
that the government of Uganda has not abandoned you veterans, although some of you were forced to retire in 1992, but the NRM government is still following you and want to find out where you are, what you are doing, how they can help you. That's why we are here today. The first full retirement took place in 1992, but by 2016, the NRM government created the directorate specifically to handle your issues.
Model is for everybody, including you, the veterans. That out of the 100 million that reaches the parish annually, 30 million is for women, 30 million is for men, 30 million is for youth, and 10 million is for people with disability. So if you are a veteran and you are under people with disability, you can choose to benefit from that 10 million. And like me, if I'm a veteran and I'm a woman, I can say, let me go to the women's side, the 30 million of the women. And then for you, if you're a veteran and you're a man, automatically you fall under the 30 million of the men. That's how this program works.
Alfred Atuao ko district alokata kwi